Hey there, dessert lovers! Today we're making a creamy, tangy twist on a classic, blackcurrant tiramisu. First things first, grab a saucepan and pour in 120 milliliters, or about half cup, of water. Add in 400 grams, roughly 14 ounces, of fresh or frozen blackcurrants. Then toss in 200 grams, or 1 cup, of sugar. Put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, grab a spatula and gently mash the berries so they release all that gorgeous purple juice. Your kitchen will smell like a berry wonderland at this point. Now, time for a little thickening magic. Sprinkle in 50 grams, that's about 6 tablespoons, of cornstarch and stir until it's completely dissolved. Let it cook for just a minute or two more, then transfer it to a bowl and let it cool completely. While that's chilling, let's whip up the cream. In a big mixing bowl, pour in 750 milliliters, about 3 cups, of heavy whipping cream. Don't forget to add 150 grams, or 1¼ cups, of powdered sugar as you beat. Whip until you get soft peaks, the kind that look fancy but still have a little wobble. Next, fold in 250 grams, about 9 ounces, of mascarpone cheese. Mix until it's smooth and dreamy. Set the cream aside. It's time to build this beauty. Lay 500 grams, about 17 ounces, of ladyfinger cookies at the bottom of your dish. Pour most of your cooled blackcurrant filling over them and spread it evenly. Then, add half of your cream mixture on top. Smoothing it out like a dessert artist. Add another layer of ladyfingers, pressing them down slightly so they get cozy with the cream. Spread on the rest of your cream, then drizzle and spread the remaining blackcurrant filling over the top. Now, quick question. If you could add any fruit twist to tiramisu, what would it be? Mango? Raspberry? Pineapple? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'm taking notes for my next fruity experiment. Once you've finished decorating, maybe with extra berries, maybe keeping it simple, cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours. This is the hardest part, the waiting. But trust me, it's worth it.
After it's chilled, slice yourself a big square and enjoy the tangy, creamy, cookie-soft perfection.
Thanks for joining me today. If you had fun, hit that like button, share this recipe with your fellow sweet tooth friends, and subscribe so you never miss a dessert adventure. See you next time.